Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. What a day yesterday. Huge range to the downside. I believe it's been like the first time in a long time that we had over a 2% down day in the NASDAQ. Killed it on stream yesterday. My best days on stream, 100 points. 100 points on NQ. Caught live. It's pretty cool. Very good day. So today's Friday. We do have 10 a.m. news, so of course I'm going to mark that out. Okay. See, what I'm going to do is save this as something. Okay. Yeah, we pretty much hit all of my targets yesterday. Yesterday's low and Monday's low. I'll have to see what the market gives us today. We took out this low in an imbalance in the 4-hour. Let's see, I'm going to have my phone up today. Okay. Oh. Oops. What happened here? Okay, 4-hour. Yeah, we finally had some sort of market structure shift on the 4-hour. On the daily, did we close below this? Yeah, not so much of a, there's so many. But this is the, no, this is the fair value gap that took out the high. Okay. I like the hourly better, but we have open in 10 minutes, right? So we had consolidation during Asia and London, which is pretty good. PPI left us a huge wick. Quite interesting there. You know, we could possibly come back there. Actually, don't like using rays like that. Trend lines like this. Okay. Today, we are going to be giving away 3 My Funded Futures starter accounts. Pretty cool. So they revamped their starter program where there's no activation fee. It's just all included in the initial fee when you buy the account. Let's see. And they have a clear path to live, right? So there's no activation fee. There's pretty simple rules for how to get to a live account. People have asked, like, what's the perks of a live account with My Funded Futures? It's you can get daily payouts. You can request daily payouts. So it's pretty cool. And the increase their drawdown limits. So for 50K, the max drawdown is $2,500. Reset fee is only $50. And yeah, to get a payout, you need at least 5 winning days of $100. Just a minimum $100, not maximum. Okay. Someone did ask me that. I was like, no, that would be really bad. So yeah, you just need to make at least $100 on 5 different days to take a payout. And there's a clear path to live. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'll be giving away 3 50K starter plans today at the end of the stream. You'll have to be subscribed and you'll have to have an account with them. If you don't have the account with them, I'll put it in the chat for the link to make an account. It's for no purchase necessary. Let's see a play like yesterday, Tanya. Everyone wants to see You're asking a lot for that. I mean, Thursday was a very nice expansion, CPI. I would really think more downside instead of upside today. I would think we're going to go again for those data lows. But because the dollar did take out liquidity, we just didn't see a shift yet in the dollar. All in all, I don't really expect a large range today. We could have an inside range into yesterday's. Oh no, it's not even. We already took out yesterday's low. I'll have to see, which is fine, right? We have 10 a.m. high impact news, which is nice. I do enjoy those. We want big money, and then people say thanks. I passed my account, and then they leave the stream early. I should do it like a giveaway that or something. Then after people leave, I've done that already before actually. Let's see. Rewarding the people that stick around because honestly though, I could have probably taken that short during the 1050 macro when I saw that the long was not going to happen. But okay. You blew your account yesterday, Zachariah. Ooh, I know one of my friends from middle school's name was Zachariah. He was Egyptian. That's too bad. A lot of people do blow their accounts on CPI. Can't wait, you guys. I just moved into my dream apartment. Can't wait to up the production here, maybe change up the background, set up with good lighting, up the production. It's lock-in mode also for trading also, right? I've been actually waking up a little earlier, so that's good for me. Establishing, if you're in a new environment, that's the best time to establish new habits, actually. I could see ES catching up more to the downside too, but the reason why I shorted NQ yesterday instead of ES is because I'll typically short the sicker, the weaker one, especially if we didn't hit the drawn liquidity yet in it, right? So NQ still had yet to hit the daily ICT, yesterday's low, etc., Monday's low. So I'd much rather than be part of the fast and furious move. That's because the YOLO, exactly. Did I watch the Columbia game? No, I was not able to. It was very unfortunately. I should have though. Is that Patrick's Fresh Crash Friday shirt? It's my Fresh Crash Friday shirt. Is he live today? I don't think so. I think he went to Hawaii, right? So especially when he's not streaming, and then and it's Friday, I'll do it to commemorate it because I think it's funny. I'm about to blow my eval, so I'd love to get one that's funny. Hey Tanya, could you consider doing a mentorship? Someone asked that yesterday at the end of the stream. I only saw after. No, not really. I don't sell any like mentorships or courses or one-on-ones. Just don't. I don't see myself as a mentor really. I do my own thing. There's a buzzing sound. Yeah, Tanya is pronounced Tanya. Oh, take profit, Tom. Tanya, I was a complete degen yesterday. Went up 1,500 for morning trade and gave it all back. Don't be better, everyone. Huh? Yeah. Don't be a degenerate today, you guys. It's Friday. Honestly, I feel like the first 30 minutes will chop. We'll see. That's my prediction. Here's the open now. I'm gonna obviously stick to watching MQ here. There weren't any SMTs here at the lows, right? No. BPI both took it out. Okay. Do we have any sort of, no. Opening range gap? Nope. Nope. Because we consolidated most of Asia and London. Okay. So on a Friday, we call it Capital Preservation Friday. Credits to Pax Trader for that. But basically, if you're up, really good. Don't be a fool and give it back today. How did I learn about ICT concepts? One of my friends, I was in a very small Discord for options trading, and then basically the guy who started the Discord, he switched to futures. And then I started trading futures just to get the hang of it, MES. And I was a retail trader. I was trading like double tops, double bottoms, trend lines, EMAs, VWAP. And one of the guys in the Discord started learning ICT. And essentially I had shorted like a double top and it had started going lower, and then I got stopped out at break even. And then my friend entered after the fact. I already had got stopped out for break even, etc. He joined the short after. So basically it looked like this. It was a double top. Tanya like started shorting here or something. Broke this, then came back here, I got stopped at break even. This is like where my friend essentially entered. What does this look like, right? Breaker structure. He entered, and then it went to my target, and he was in the trade, and I wasn't. I was like, how did you know to do that? And he sent me the ICT 2022 mentorship playlist. And the rest is history. I was already struggling before that with trading, though. It's not, it's not like I had I was very much like a break-even trader. I was making a lot, then losing it, giving it back. So I was looking for anything that was consistent. And that's the rest of is history. That was in the end of March 2022. So I was lucky in the fact that ICT had only just started. It was like he was like up to like maybe episode 11 at that point. So caught up, and then I was kind of keeping up with it as he was putting out the episodes. So far, we pretty much are ranging the first 15 minutes, 5 minutes of the day, not really giving us anything special. We took out some buy side, the first level of buy side liquidity, sure, from on the 15, right? Pre-market buy side. But there's no 1 minute market structure shift for me to really look to get involved there yet. The only way I would get involved is if it displaced lower. So nothing there. I do think it could be rangy. Also, there's news at 10, so it's probably best for me to wait. We'll continue watching this. Yeah, not much. Could reach back up. Welcome, Ken. So, it'd be nice to form equal lows, honestly. What's ES doing? Not much. Not much to write home about here. Made an equal high there. Gotta be patient. It's the easy thing to do, like, to just get into any trade, right? The hard thing is to be patient. Honey, can you do a short video going over your short entry from yesterday? You know what? Yeah, I will. That's a good idea because a couple people asked. Which future symbols do you primarily trade using ICT concepts and why? It says FXLSJN. So NQ primarily, and then also ES sometimes. Why? Because that's what ICT recommended in the 2022 mentorship. He said, everyone, you guys should switch over from Forex to futures. And he was pretty much right. I don't know. And I was already trading indices, just the options version, right? I was already trading SPY and QQQ. And another reason is because they're highly liquid. And futures are highly liquid and centralized. They all send the same data to the CME. Every chart is the same on every broker. So makes it easy and less manipulated. Okay. Anna says, hello, Tanya. Do you have rules? What times, hours you trade, and how many wins and losses per day before you call it a day? Thanks. I pretty much trade the New York from 9:30 to 11:10, right? I don't really like trading between 11 and 1, especially. I think that's probably more my loss. I get more losses there. And that's not a kill zone. I rarely trade the afternoon anymore. But if I do, then after 1:30, I won't enter a trade before 1:30. Yeah. 1:30 to 4 then. And it's only if 1:30 provided in manipulation or the draw on liquidity is clear, etc. Yeah, so we're range bound. I have to buy a couch, you guys. I buy a lot of furniture, actually, so if you have any furniture suggestions, let me know. Furniture brands or whatever, stores. But yeah, I mean, so what's it going to be? It's going to be Colombia versus Argentina in the final for semifinal for Copa America, which is going to be a good game, I think. Brian says, you're one of the few ICT traders that live streamed that sold yesterday rather than buying. Would indeed love to see a breakdown analysis. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think I saw some people tried like longing inversions or something, and it didn't work. You could probably reference back on my stream also, me filtering out those ideas. I will, yeah, I'll do it, okay? Yeah, that sounds like a decent idea. Because it's like, oh, how I caught 100 points on NQ review. Something like that. You know what's funny is that the stream yesterday has like 10 comments on it, but if I have a losing day or a day where I just don't take a trade and then later it has a huge move or I miss the move, it's like 35 comments. That's content for you, I guess. I don't know. Losses definitely get more engagement on Twitter. It's kind of funny. You always get people trying to give you advice. It's like, no, I don't really need the advice. I'm just sharing that I had a loss, you know? It's normal. And I'll share when I have a win. That's the game that we play. It's the profession we choose to do. I don't really know. Is it going to go for this hourly Sibi? It's not the cleanest here. I think there's a tiny FEG there, but there's an imbalance. The tiniest little imbalance. I mean, in volume imbalance, right? Yeah. I'm not really so keen on enjoying that. It's not really much of a displacement where the market's like showing its hand to me at least. If I could tape read it. Or maybe it goes for that hourly Sibi, which is like in a deep discount, right? So it wouldn't be the worst idea, I guess. But we have news at 10, so that's why I'm not really keen on joining that, trying that trade idea at least. And also, like, your stop there. I'd rather, in those kinds of scenarios, I'd rather, like, see a clean breaker fair value gap combo if I were to join it. Yeah. We'll see if it goes, this low does get taken. Because then that idea would have been stopped for sure. Well, I mean, even just closing below it is not good. So, yeah, we are just ranging. The first 15 minutes of the day are finished now. We're just doji. Okay, let's check out the heat map then in 1 minute. Oh, you guys, I thought it was so funny. I saw PB Trading. I think his name is Official PB Trading on Instagram. He took the loss or 2 losses, and I saw in his Discord chat that someone was spamming Tanya's green today. And I thought that was so funny because I've said before, people definitely do report on my performance in various Discords, whether it's a win or a loss. But I think that's funny. I mean, yeah, I'm definitely the biggest ICT live streamer. And then live streamer for futures, I would say I'm probably in top 3, I would think. Which is crazy. I really appreciate you guys for watching, being a loyal audience. I just marked that out because it's like some people would call that a rejection block. I don't really trade those, but sometimes I'll just mark something out that I see. Equal candle body lows. Also, that sometimes could serve as liquidity pool. And now you have an inversion there. I wonder if some people are going to take that, but where perhaps the target is there. Let's see what the heat map's like. Okay, so this is what the overall market looks like. So relatively flat, except Meta's down 2% and Tesla's down almost 3%. We'll check now in the real time. What's Tesla doing? Oh, Tesla just surged. That makes sense. Huh. Okay. Yeah, it just went from negative. Okay. Plus 72.72%. Yeah, Tesla could definitely use a breather. Meta. Yeah, Meta's down 2.5%. Huh. Okay. Nvidia's up. Okay, pretty tough then. We have 10 AM news, but So I'm chilling on this. Very rangy. Let me just think about what would that look like. I don't take those kinds of trades really though. You entered on the close of that candle. Not 2R. But large stop pretty much. If it closed below this again. Yeah. You can tape read it. You have a fair value gap and a mitigation block here. I wouldn't really want it to close below even half, like there, but it didn't even reach into this. $9.50 macro to 10.10, but there's the 10 a.m. news in the middle of it, which is it U Mitch? Yeah. Preliminary U of M consumer sentiment. Okay. I wouldn't be surprised if it does just like straight up run to there, but I'll let that go without me. Yeah. We'll see if how this candle closes. Is it gonna have a little FEG there? 5-minute FEG? Okay, pretty good bounce from that rejection and inversion, but I didn't get into it until they finally was missing it. Let's see. What is this? Okay. This is ES. Yeah, that's the question here. Is it like, would it gonna be better to long ES then today? Because NQ does have two. NQ is up 0.3. I think it'll be fine either way. Because Tesla has picked back up actually. Yeah. It's like the weekly small candle body there. Interesting. ES is already in its hourly SIBI. Honestly, if we're gonna go lower anymore, this shouldn't be closed above on ES. Because we already offered this buy side here. I would think that this is a balanced price range from here to here. So wouldn't really want us to on the hourly in the next 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. But yeah. And we're probably gonna retrace to higher prices. Mm-hmm. Okay. News in 5 minutes, everybody. 10 a.m. news. High impact. I mean, red folder news. So we did make a little Fiji there. Okay, so it reached into that 1 hour SIBI. Pretty cool to just tape read that push up. I wonder, is 10 a.m. going to offer a reversal? I don't know. The daily looks like this. What's this ES doing? Hmm. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go higher, honestly. Okay, what's DXY doing? So ES up 0.3 and Q up 0.48. Hmm. Okay, here's 10 a.m. news. We're likely gonna just go higher, close above this. Okay, let me see. Finviz. Hmm. This is ES. Hmm. I don't see anything right now. There's nothing where I can like define my risk good, you know? So nothing yet, nothing yet. It's wild. Tesla went from like negative 2%, now it's up 2.3. Yeah, I'm more inclined to think higher. I don't think I would. I'm gonna mark out this 15-minute fair value gap. This is 5-minute. It's not finished yet, but likely is. The 5 worth, what's that like? So this should be a breakaway gap. Meaning we shouldn't come below 50% of that. 484. I would think then I could probably get to here. That matches up with the 2.5 standard deviation quite well, actually. And 0.5. Okay. Some sort of retracement into here now. If it's cold. I'm getting cold, essential air. Yeah, I would think that we retrace and take out this. There's an order block here. What's this move up look like with extension? It's just about me figuring out the risk, like where to put the stop, etc. Or just wait on the lower time frame, probably. 1050 like takes out this low into here, and then like we have some sort of other bullish fair value gap. Will probably take that. So that's my idea, is like take this out. Bum ba dum bum, and then ba da da dum. Something like that. It doesn't even have to do this. Like move could just have a bullish fair value gap. You know? I'd rather be longing it than shorting it today. So unless it really just displaces hard below this, then I would reconsider and possibly try a short. If it displaces hard below this and on the 5 minute, if it closes below the fair value gap, or if it closes below this, it would have to be extremely obvious then for me to short it. Otherwise, probably long. What's ES doing? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, that's my idea. Do do do. Something like that. Unless it, like I said, see how it reacts there. It's just hovering. Which is pretty good then. It's making like equal lows. Still just hovering around. Yes, near the high of the day at this point. Okay, let's see how this reacts here. So slow. Yeah, it's breaking that. See how this candle, the next series of candles will be telling. Mark out this order block. Cool. A tiny little FEG. Let's see if we invert that. I'm getting ready to buy soon. Okay, I'm buying this. Okay. Let's see how that goes here. Alright, that's a trade idea, and it will take off at high of day. If we get there. Because you can still get stopped out. You don't know. It could definitely possibly stop me out. I don't know. Let's see, I don't really want it to hang around too long here. If I'm gonna be right, you know? Decent idea though. Reverse partial and then final target. If it doesn't work out, then I'll wait for the 1050 macro. FEG and balanced price range. I would pretty much would like it to really hold in here. I don't want a candle body close below. Then I'd be probably in trouble. So far it's holding up decently. And that's like a 2022 model here entry. We'll see. Yeah, silver bullet. Let's see how this FEG holds up. They're looking pretty decent. I almost want to add more, honestly, but I don't want to go too hard. Yeah, I'll stick with 2. Now hands off, just letting the electric play out, essentially. How's ES doing? Holding up well. How's Tesla? Holding up well. So, yeah. Just have an alert when it gets here. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore either, really. Yeah. Be good to start seeing like large engulfing candles to the upside now. Now that we pretty much held that fair value gap, the body's closed above it, right? Let's hold this. Every close, you see holding in the upper half of it. So it's looking good now. Following the plan. As it starts to come over here, I will press my partial to take off some. I don't know, I couldn't have said it really much clearer than what I did. I got this low, waited for a bullish FUG or an inversion. And it did happen. So let's see it. There we go. I'm gonna take my partial there. So because it did have like body. So the first target is hit right there. Now the stop. I do want to just put my stop up now to break even. New high of day. Smashed. We're gonna put stop to break even now. Yeah. See it just run up to here. It'd be nice. Asking quite a lot though. It is asking quite a lot. Right, I'm up 37 points there. How much would I be up if I get to there? I'm embracing the volatility in the marketplace right now, so I'm gonna hold. Yeah, I'm gonna hold for that second target. We are in volatile times, so it's quite possible we can. Let's look at this. Swing high to swing low. Okay. Fair enough. So let's see it get to final target. Stop is above break even. Which makes sense. We don't really want it to get all the way back down there. I mean, yeah. So, I think it's fine. Plus, it's like fair value gaps would get broken. This mitigation block would get broken. So, let's see if that's what's going to happen. Large expansions of upside. So far, your price is doing what I expected it to do, right? I said I want large green candles. So it's nice copying another W. Just taking deep breaths. Okay. What's yes doing? Looking good. Yeah, like I said, remember when I said if we close above this, we're gonna retrace a lot deeper, and yeah, same thing. So I'm just gonna hold this. And if this works out, you know, it's gonna be awesome, and we'll do the giveaway. I almost did want to add more there, but it's tough to add size in front of thousands of people on a Friday too. I'm still happy. Okay. So I just want to see green candles essentially, I guess. Not much else to do. Yeah. It's Fresh Cash Friday. How many people here right now? Oh my god, 3176. Hit that like button. And we're going to do the giveaway after this trade. So stick around. Make sure you got to be subscribed. And you also have to have a My Funded Futures account. No purchase necessary. Just put the link in the chat where you can sign up if you don't have an account with them already. I'm sure a lot of people are asking why this is my second target. It's because, like I had said, if we were closing above this, we're going to reach back into this area. This is balanced and we're shifting. And it also lines up with negative 2.5 standard deviation of this PPI move lower. So, decent. I'm glad that price is doing well finally. Price is doing price action is, good, essentially. Just green candles to the upside would be nice for once. What's the RR on the last target? Probably something wild. That would be lit. Got like 4 RR yesterday. It's 2.2 R right now. Probably shouldn't reach back lower here, so I am going to move the stop more. Because this is an IOFED. So if anything, I've locked in, 32 points or whatever. How many points is that going to be it's going to be like almost, it's going to be like 90 points. Almost. Wow. Gotta embrace the volatility when it's there. $94 points. Let's see. Hit the like button. Damn, yes. There she goes. Laid out the plan. I drew it out. You can't say I didn't draw literally what I wanted to see happen. Can't freaking say that. I drew it out. Just follow the plan. Alright, let's go. See how this goes. Like I said, I just wanted green candles, and it's happening, finally. Finally. I mean, it could still go. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Wow, wow, wow. Yep, just gonna hang around until it hits that target, essentially. Someone said, Tanya, we need another banger like yesterday. Like, I gave it to you again. I actually do love CPI weeks. The day of CPI and the day after are my strong suit. So, good to see. Let's see that large candle to the upside. Let's go. Someone blow up on the screen. It makes sense, you guys. We just had huge moves to the upside. It makes sense for it to gyrate a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Waiting. Low. Came 2 ticks before it. And it's funny because I put 1 tick below for my take profit. Next time I'm putting 3 ticks below. People are like, take it off, take it off. Yeah. Alright, I'll lock it in. I'll lock it in. I'll lock it in. I'll wait for this candle to close. Alright, I'm gonna lock it in. 87 points on stream. We're done. We're done here. It's just not worth it for me to hold 1 more minute in case that next candle's a black candle. I'm gonna be pissed, you know? So. Amazing. Couldn't ask for better. 87 points. 87 points on stream. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. We did it. Raise the roof. Fresh Cash Friday. Yeah, couldn't ask for better price action, I'd say. I laid it all out and talked about it. So who caught longs with me today? Who's green today, bruh? Freaking W's. W. All right. I think it's time to, isn't that beautiful? 3.5 R on the last one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mwah. And Q, I love it when you're beautiful. Remember when I say like, when I'm like, yo, you're ugly today? Finally, you're beautiful today. Thank you. All right, we're gonna do the giveaway now. So shout out to everyone who stuck around. Let's see if it does hit this. I just didn't want to hold for another 5 minutes. And there it is. Target is smashed right there. Phew. Really can't ask for better. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Bagel Crew. Okay. Who was it? Jose Pena. All right. So let me, so first off, you have to be subscribed. Was awesome, if not paper trade. Oh, really? That's fucked up. Fuck you, seriously, because it's not. You could, okay, let's see. Sim funded expert account, my funded futures. Whatever. I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I post my freaking idea. Clear as day it happens. You think I'm not gonna take that on a funded account? Whatever. I post that and I post payouts, so whatever, you guys. There's people that do appreciate. Anyway, let's do the giveaway. Who's ready? So if you make an account here in the link I sent, make sure you got an account there, and then I'm gonna make the form now. Shout out to my assistant Castillo for he texted me words of encouragement saying like, focus, I believe you can find a winning trade today. I was like, okay, we gotta focus. Because, a lot of times on my giveaways, I'm not focused. Okay. Must be subscribed. Step 1 to Tanya Trades on YouTube. Step 2 must have a No purchase necessary. I'm sure this is just gonna like grind even higher. I'm very happy with my performance there. Okay, so first name, YouTube name. I'm gonna ask for your first name, YouTube username, and the email that you used to sign up for My Funded Futures, so that we can add it to your account. Okay. Welcome, Dragos Suspanov. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Putting it in the chat now. Only one entry per person. You know, you'll get disqualified if I see that you did like 2 different entries. Okay. Send. Link. Okay, the link's going in the chat now. So we're giving away, I'm gonna give you some time to do that. Links in the chat. Enter the giveaway here. All right, you're getting banned, humble, whatever, because you're just a hater, unfortunately. Okay. And then I'm gonna enter the giveaway here. What's up, Flips? I can't believe I got hate and I nailed the trade. Damn. Doesn't matter. My life is good. Doesn't matter. Let me, life is good. Let me talk about what we're giving away. So we're giving away 3 My Funded Futures 50K starter plans. They just revamped their starter plan, right? So now they have a clear path to being a live funded trader. Let me see. Let me just switch it to this. So there's no activation fees, $80 for the 50K, all included. So it is, everyone asked this, not this. Oh my gosh. Oops. That's from a previous time we did something on the stream. Okay. So, what do I want to say? Oh yeah. So it's $80 for a 50K, for example, and it's all included. But just keep in mind, it's $80 per month until you pass, and then there's no more fees after that, and that includes getting the CME data and just answering some frequently asked questions. So you basically have like a month to pass it. Unless you don't, then it rebills you. But if you're in profit, then you stay at that profit. Resets are $50. If you use the code Tanya Trades, you'll always get the best discount. I think even with this $80, like you'll get like another 5% discount with Tanya Trades code. And yeah, so to get a payout, you need at least 5 winning days of $100 on the 50K account. Then you can request a payout. And then here it says for live funding, there's a clear path. If you get to here, then you're now in a live funded account and you can take out daily payouts. That's a huge plus for them. So that with live funded traders, they get daily payouts. You can request a payout daily. So either you have a stat account with $2,500 in the balance, or you had 30 winning days, which is defined as $100 at least, or $6,000 in payouts. So I think that's a really good deal for just $80, or for the 50K, and obviously the other 2. I was just talking about the most frequently bought one is the 50K. So yeah, let's do it. Let's give it away. We're gonna give away 3 of them. Epic day on stream, for sure. Welcome, Trade with MRK. So are we all done? Got the responses in? I'll give you guys 2. I'll do it at 11. I'll do it at 11. I showed my entries on the screen exactly and everything. It's wild how I could still get criticism. You can't win, it's okay. I know that most people, you have to embrace the love. I saw so many W's in the chat. It's W Nation! W Nation! All I do is win, 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 no matter what. What would you do if you didn't win? Guess we'll never know. Okay. Wait, did I move? The setup is different. I moved into my dream apartment, you guys. In New York. I have a 2-bed, 2-bath with a doorman, full amenities. I have a pool. I have a view. Pretty exciting. How much rent is in the dream flat? You could probably guess. It's a lot. I'll maybe show you guys the view of my setup. It's really cool. Renting. I don't know if I'll do a full apartment tour. It's just, as a woman, it's a little dangerous. Yeah, there's a pool in the building. Yeah, you guys can guess. Yeah. I'll show you guys, like, maybe I'll post on Instagram or on Twitter the view. Maybe I could even show it on screen right now. I'll pick up the webcam. There you go. This is my freaking office view. My hands are shaking, but I'll show a better picture. Isn't that cool? That trade, yeah. It's a good luck apartment already. I mean, I already had my biggest day on stream yesterday and my second biggest day on stream today, right? Okay, so, are we ready? It's 11 a.m. Let's do the giveaway. But it's like, definitely like full circle moment for me because I'm born and raised in Queens, New York. And like, this is my dream. This is my like Lambo. This is my like type of dream. And I did it. Exciting. Exciting. Okay, so, right, I'm gonna do duplicate form and then delete the emails so that we can show it on the screen. No emails. And then, so how many people entered? Let's see. Wow. Okay. 1,143. Okay. Okay, let's pull it up on the main screen. Wishing everyone best of luck. So let me see, just making sure it all shows on the screen and it does not show. We'll do it like this. Okay, so minimum is 2 and the maximum is 1,143. Okay, first winner is 225. Let's go. Let's see who it is. Oh my gosh, I have to scroll so much. There's probably a better way of doing it, but whatever. 225 is congrats to Kayer PC Clinic 11. Congrats. Okay. Next winner, 485. Congrats to Michael, 023MKO. And our last winner, drum roll please, 720. Congrats to Wayne Herod. All right, congrats to everyone. Hope everyone had a good Friday. I had a great Friday. And stay safe. Don't be a degenerate today. And we'll see you back here next week. For the winners, we will be just adding it straight up into your My Fun Futures account. I'm going to share the emails with the team, and you should see it in the account. So yeah, thanks for everyone for watching, and I hope see you next week. Ciao!